Hello and welcome back to another episode of Robo Instructus where, question mark is the next lever as always. Another message recovered. FYI, Team 3 have also been mitigating the unreliable scans. Jacob, we've been working on another workaround for the dodgy scans. We're adding direction data that will point towards solid ground. Mostly they're not necessary, but they could come in very handy if the scans worsen. Aaron has some working code samples that he will clean up and send out to all the teams, but in short, direction data stores contain direction relative to that tile identified with RoboScan code 12. Robo use possible directions 1 up, 2 right. Okay. RoboScan, yeah, if we scan and you get 12, it's a direction data store. And we can use it on the direction data store, and if it returns 1, we can go up, and if it returns 2, we can go right, which is weird. But okay. So what do we have? Forward, left, forward use. Which then returns 1, okay. Which means, oh, it's even an arrow there. That's nice. That's a nice convenience thing. Or we should slow this down again. So up is safe. But right is also safe, isn't that right? Like, what is right? What is up? Like the way I'm facing up? But then, yeah, this is weird. Like, what is up? Is up just always, like, in this 2D map thing, like, above, that's always up? Or is it up relative to where I'm facing? I do not know. Like, these ones... I guess they're like right up, whatever, I don't know. I don't know. Let's just do some stuff, I guess. Let's write some ugly code, because I think that's what this game is all about. So right would mean left twice, right? Because I can't turn right. But then, yeah, like right here I'm facing down, and this is gonna say right, and not up. Which is not really right in any context other than like on the map here, which I don't know, because I don't know where I'm coming from on that tile. That's very weird, that's just very weird to think about, and I don't like it. So yeah, we want to loop this for sure. We want to loop around some of this stuff for sure. I guess it's just... Can I just... Yeah. Sure, yeah. didn't do that right. It's fine. Okay. But yeah, this is the issue with like up and right are just horrible directions to get. Because I'm here and I'm supposed to go right, but what is right? I don't know where I came from. How do I do that? It's just such a, like, this is such a silly limitation here. Like, this is easy enough. Because it just happens to be the way you're facing anyway. And here it's fine too, because I'm facing up. But I don't know how, like, I always have to face up. And I can't face up here, because up is not the direction. So what is right in relation to this? This makes no sense. Like, right and up on a triangle don't make sense. If the triangle is with the base at the bottom. Because there's no up on that triangle. That's just right and left and down. And I can't keep track. I don't have like a robo rotation thing. I can't look up which way I'm facing or anything like that. It just doesn't make sense. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. This is making me mad. If it's less than 0, turn left. And if it is... If it is 12, then we do all of this. I still don't know how to turn right. Because that's not a thing. Oh, alright, if it is 12 hours, I need to move forward actually. Like, how do I turn up? Man, I don't know where I came from. This is just a mess. Oh, but it is... Right, we can't do less, yeah. I mean, I don't know, this is just a mess. It works for 3 of them, or 2 of them, I guess. Not the third one, probably, right? Actually, it might. Do I have to go to all of them? I don't think I do, right? It doesn't really matter. No. Oh, we might actually be fine here. Oh, I didn't... Yeah, the right might break. It did actually kind of break. Best case scenario, this is really slow. Worst case, it just breaks. Which we'll find out in a moment here. Because I'm gonna turn around again, right? At this right one. Yes, I'm gonna go all the way back to the left, but then... Oh, but I'm not gonna go up, am I? Because I'll be facing this way, and this is not empty, so I'm gonna go here. Yeah, so it's gonna break here. I'm facing this way, this is not -1, so whatever. So in here we also need to scan. Wait, so... I mean, basically whatever, this we don't care. Right? Yeah, so how did that go again? Conditionals, if not, is it just is not? Yeah. If it is not that, then do that or something. I don't know. It's ugly, but it works-ish. It doesn't really do everything we're supposed to do, maybe, or we're expected to do potentially, but I don't really care. Because like up and right are just incredibly stupid things to be have. Like I don't know which way I'm facing. I could have to write like a variable that keeps track of which way I'm facing or something. Then I could do it. But this is much less effort. Like I could have a variable which way I'm facing because I'm always stepping up for first and then I'm facing right. And I always like if I turn left I need to change the variable or something. I'm not gonna do that. Alright, the robo left, robo scan, etc. commands are functions. A function is a block of code that can be run later. Really, we get functions? Wow, they're defined with the fun keyword. Because functions are fun. So that's nice, we get functions. That's gonna make it harder to like justify my ugly code now. But don't worry, I'll do it. Functions are useful for reducing repeated code, yes, and putting a name to a more complex operation. Functions can also call other functions. For example, you could keep a count of robo left cards by wrapping it in another function and using that. So what are we doing here? We have a variable left count and then a function called left and count, and all it does is it calls robo left and also increments the left count by 1. We do have that? I didn't think we had that ability to write like left count is left count plus 1 like that. Maybe we just got it, or maybe we had it before and just didn't try the code. I'm not sure. And then if we loop here, but it's less than 3, we run it, and then once it ran 3 times, the loop stops. Very good. So, you know, we're right there. We're right there. Run size is like pretty good, but probably yeah, again, this this right here might be a reason why it looks like we're like at the very top there. But you know, look at the this is good, like on the low end of like the tallest of the towers. It's fine. It's fine. It's just fine. Question mark or question mark? I think we're gonna go with question mark this time. Apologies, I cut off the end of Lillian's message in the last one. Here's the 4 set of codes. 1 up, 2 right, 3 down, 4 left. Lillian Westerman, sure. That makes sense. It's still really weird and confusing though, because how do I know which way I'm facing? Did I miss something? How do I know which way I'm facing on these? How do I keep track of which way I'm facing? Do I really have to write like a variable for that? I'm not like, there's no... With loops we have functions. Scope, none of that helps. Conditions, comparison, more conditions, variables, comments, loops. Power switch, location, data store. Like, this makes no sense. Up, right, down, left are just not... How does that make sense? Because if we go up here, it tells us to go left, presumably, and then this tells us to go left. But what is left? But we go here and face this way. Left means turn left once and then move forward. Then we're facing this way. Left means turn left once and then move forward. I guess it always does that, right? I don't know. I hate it. But I think the fact that it told us about the functions and the variable count in the function, maybe that means something. So yeah, we would be facing this way, facing this way, facing this way, this way, this way, this way, this side, this side, this side, and then all of a sudden here we're supposed to go down onto this. I have no idea. I mean, we have to step forward, I guess, and then we would run Robo use. I hate all the completeness sometimes. I mean, let's just declare where maybe we want to use it. I don't know. I could hard code a way to get down there, right? If I do this. And then we also have right in there, which is 2. And if it is that, I don't know, do we have to turn or not? We still have to turn. We always have to turn, basically. Why did it fall off there? Oh, because it was facing this. But then how do I do it? How in the world do I do this? How do I know which way I'm facing? Do I really make a variable for that? Well, that's insanity. It also makes, I don't know. I don't know how that even go. Like, if I save, I go up here and then I face right. So I save whatever number that means right. And now I'm facing right. And this tells me to go left, which means I need, like, I'm facing right, I need to go left, I need to turn left once and then go forward. And I'm facing up. So I need to change the direction variable to up. The thing tells me to go left, which means I turn left once and then go forward. And then I face left. And it also tells me to go down, so I need to turn left once. And then go here and face this way. It tells me to go left, and I'm already facing that way. How do I know? How do I know that? I don't understand how I'm supposed to keep track of which way I'm facing to make sense of the directions. because I can't really know, right? Like here, if I go right, after I go right, I face down, and then I go right again, but then I'm not facing down after that one. I'm facing up. So it is relative to where I was facing, or where I came from. Because the triangles are either flat side down or flat side up. This is so weird. This game is so weird and hard. Why would you fall off here again? Alright, because I scanned this and then I fall because it's 999 and this is actually not what I want it to be. And I mean, I just look at them, I guess. So on this one, no, on this one, where's the safe location here? Right. Right, so it's, yeah, we go up and then right, down, left, down, right, and then that's exit. And here, where is it here? Up here. It wants us to go all the way around, basically. Like, that's the code we're supposed to write. And I just don't know if we can. And here, I don't even see it yet. That's here again. But we're supposed to go... Oh no, it's here. Is it either of those? Or is it just that that one's safe, but not necessarily the exit? Is there more than one on this one? I didn't really look. No. And then this last one, it's probably 7 or something. Here. No, just here. Okay. It's very strange. Left, down. Right, down. Left, down. As always, right, up. Left, down. I mean, something we can do is like... trick it. That's the only thing I can think of. And maybe that's what we're supposed to do. Like we could count the steps. Like we were told in that one example, and then... we just know this is a step out. We just have to differentiate the different levers, which is not easy, but we can, like, if you go up and scan and it points us to a left, we either have to go here, or here, which is not good. And all the other ones point us to the right, maybe? No, this is points us left too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, we could do something silly like that though. I don't know. So what would we do? We would do I don't know. We do Robo Forward out here, and then we do Robo Scan. No, not Scan, Robo Use, I'm sorry. So we need that still. And then if data is 4, and then what's the shortest exit on the left side? 1, 2, 3. Well, it's one step already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. And then we just start looping. Actually, that should be in there. And we go forward and then we just always do like Robo Scan, right? And if it is let me do this. Let's just see this. Yeah. See it one more time actually. Wait, what? So steps is 6 right now. Right, so we do this instead. And if steps is exit, damn, come on, is exit, then we do Robo Use. This is getting messy. Very messy. We do Robo Use, and if that is well, 4, and if steps is 6, we go forward. Wait, this is too late, right? I've already turned. Wait, did that even go in there? It's moving too fast. I missed it again. I'm not good at this. on too soon now. Wait, I'm confusing myself. This shouldn't be this hard. It's ugly, it's very ugly code. I hate it, but does it have to be 7? Yeah. Okay. If it is 7, we go forward. Else, if no, let's just do. If steps is exit, if it is pointing us to the left. Oh, we just ignore that, right? We just do this. If steps is 7, we do that. And else, no, I need to check. Man. If steps is exit, then we need to check. Yeah, we need to check if Robo use is 4, I think it was, right? Yeah. But do I need this then? I'm not sure. This is not good. I don't think I can do it like this. This is also wrong thing again. I don't know what it needs to be. So this one was 8. This one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right. I don't know, this is a mess and I don't like it. This can't work, right? Oh, right. Yeah. And it was actually the right one. No. No! Can't type. I think this is space. It shouldn't be there, maybe. I don't know. Oh, why did it not step? Run again. I miscounted. It'd be a silly mistake to have made, but it's very possible I did. 14, 15. Steps is exit. Robo use. Oh, we're wasting it. Right, we need to do... Because we're like reading it and then we can't read it again for the other ifs. It is skipping 7 or 8, I mean. Which I don't know why that happens. Let's see. Right here does the thing. But this is not 4, it is 2. So exit is 8. Oh, well, we make it 16. Right. Messy conditionals here. So we want... We could just do this. Maybe. Oh, but now we... yeah. Now we're not turning. I guess we can just do it here. This is getting so ugly. It still didn't work? What? Oh, because it still goes into the L's. I'm so bad at writing bad code. So we can't do it like this. How do I do it? Because this else is only going to trigger on the last if, right? I can't have... Oh, I can do else if, right? And the catch-all would be if... If x is 7, x is 8, and else exit the 16. Maybe. I'm not sure. This is the right turning one, that's just not gonna work. We haven't written that yet. Let's just test all these left turning ones. Which is the last left turning one? This one. No, we tested this one already. Wait, which one is it then? This one. They should all work. Okay. What a mess, what a mess. Alright, whatever. And now we just do the right turning one, which is just 2 of them. Whatever. And then if data is right, which is 2, what's the shortest exit for right? It's 1. I mean, this is, but whatever, it's fine. I think. Yeah, I don't care enough. I don't care enough. I don't care enough. It's fine. Come on, go in there. I mean, this is a lot of reused code, and we have just learned how to use functions, but you know, whatever, basically. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, lots of. This is the ugliest one yet. Like, we've written lots of ugly code here, but you know. This is the worst of them all. What? Unexpected line after if else. Oh, sure. Why? Oh, I'm facing the wrong way. If it's 7, it needs to turn left. Or something. Oh, I just didn't do it, whatever, let's just see. Off by step. 6, turn left. 7. Steps is exit. It is true. Robo use. Returns 2. It's not 1. Oh, we did 7 here instead of... What? It's supposed to be 2. What? Oh, this is also 2. No. I can't type. I'm stressing because I want to end the episode. It's already really long, isn't it? I'm not gonna look. If I don't look, I'm not gonna know. If I don't know, I can't be blamed. There we go. 52 minutes. It's bad, but it's fine. We've solved it. This is the ugliest one yet. I hate this one. There's probably a good way of doing this, but I don't know what it is. Anyway, Alice, have you seen his latest one? This guy has enough hot air to power the whole colony. Check. Friends, we have now initiated phase 2 of the new plan. By now many of you have moved to our cozy new dwellings in level B3. For those of you awaiting transfer, we can't wait for you to join us. Nestled deep within the bosom of Bright's welcoming rocky mantle, you'll find it's comparatively warm down here. Our army of robots and freshly minted robo-engineers are working tirelessly to dig even deeper and open up new levers and new geothermal power sources, and I will not rest until we are all safely under the ground. Many thanks to Mary and the rest of the xenobotanists for discovering a new mushroom species which is almost totally edible. Almost totally, yeah. Get ready to update your recipes, everyone. Jonathan Trenton Belmont, Governor Designate. Yeah, he's a politician for sure. Anyway, this is ugly. And I don't care. It's fine. Who's this guy? Is this always just one guy making these solutions? Maybe. Maybe. But that's it. We've done the orienteering. We did what? We did 2, right? Yeah, we did sense of direction and orienteering this episode. So it's fine. It's fine. And then we have these 5 to go on this stage. And then I think there's one more stage. And that might be it, judging by the achievements. Because there's one for... let me actually look it up real quick. Into the Dark is for completing Act 2, and then the 2 heads are better than 1 for completing Act 3, and that's R for the act. So I think this is obviously Act 2, and then 1 level deeper is Act 3, and then that's going to be it. So it's not super far away, but these levels are getting kind of tricky. I definitely have to say goodbye to writing good code, because I feel like that's sort of the challenge of the game, is that you can't quite make the nice thing you want to make. Or at least I can't. So we'll see how it goes, but that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.